How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. This is Lizzy TV and my name is Elizabeth Ebere. In case you just tuned in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. And for my returning subscribers, you guys know now, thank you very much for always stopping by my channel. I so much appreciate your love and your support. Okay guys, today is nothing serious guys, but it's something serious to me because most of you are telling me, sis, I can't hear your voice, so your voice is so low. Sis, please, can you amplify your voice? So today, go mafia. We go take this mic. I want to be using a new microphone, a clip-on mic at least, so that it can amplify this my tiny voice you guys are complaining about. And if you're one of those people that say, sis, I can't hear your voice, so your voice is so low, and you're not watching my videos, please, Ego mic. I have bought a new mic. Please come and watch my videos now, okay? Come and watch my videos. I got a new mic and I want to show you guys this my new microphone and test it on my phone and see how it's working. Please, you guys should confirm it too. Let me know in the comment section whether this mic that I bought, whether it's working out very well, whether you can hear my voice well. If not, something or there at work, tell me, let me go and return it and get a better one. I want you guys to be watching my content. So what's the need now if I film a content, if I film a video, if I make a content and you'll be watching it? Find the value now. What is the essence now? What is the essence of my wasting my strength and wasting all these things to make you guys happy? And you know, watching my videos is not fair. It's because of this mic. So I went to the market and I got a Boya mic. At least since you can go take a better one, I now bought a Boya mic. Can you see it? This is my new mic. Why is the light so bright? So guys, I bought a new mic. I want to amplify my voice. Amplify my voice. You say this, your voice is so low. Okay, let me test it. See guys, it's a new one. It came in this bag, this small pouch, and I think this is the manual. It came also with this thing. I think this thing is for maybe camera. I think camera. This one is for camera, and this one is for the mic. This one is a phone, and this one is for the clip-on. So let me assemble it and show you, and then I'll test it on the phone and see how my voice is now. Please let me know in the comment section when I test this mic if my voice is amplified. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification. And yes, I got notified that most of you didn't turn on your notification bell. Please now, what's the essence of me making videos and you don't get notified? Please turn on your post notification so that once I upload a new video, you get notification on time. Just is late. Imabune is late now. My content is not fair. So this one is the warranty card. Warranty. The warranty doesn't even work like that in this part of the country. It doesn't really work like that. So okay, this is the mic itself. This is the mic, and it's very long. One thing I like about the mic is that the rope is so long, and the rope is about, okay, the cable is so long. The cable is like about 6 meters. 6 meters, sabi? Anyway, the cable is so long. That's what I like about it. So you can set up your your tripod stand anywhere and can film very far, still talk, and people will hear what you're saying. So guys, let me test this mic and you let me know how the mic is. Okay.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow.
Test of mic, 1, 2. Test of mic, 1, 2. Hello, can you hear me? So guys, this is how the microphone is sounding. Let me know in the comment section whether my voice is a bit amplified. And please, I've got a new mic. If you're in the category of people that say you can't hear me, please come and watch my videos, come and watch my content now. I've got a new mic and my voice is now amplified. Okay guys, this is Boya mic. Let me know in the comment section if this mic is good, whether I should continue using it or maybe I should get a new one. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share my videos to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that your friend has a YouTube channel so they can come and support me and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, keep staying safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far